This is the number one mistake people make when trying to lose weight through chest exercises. Today, we're diving into the most effective compound chest exercises that can help you lose weight while maintaining muscle. Many people struggle with weight loss because they don't know the right exercises to incorporate into their routine. When it comes to working out your chest, it's not just about looking good in a shirt. Building a strong chest can improve your overall strength and help you burn more calories. In this video, we will explore S-tier and A-tier chest exercises that can maximize your training. We'll also discuss some crucial strategies to enhance your workouts for better results. Let's start with S-tier exercises. These are the foundational movements that you should include in your routine. 1. Machine chest press. This exercise is fantastic for isolating your chest. Using a machine helps provide support, which allows you to focus on form. When you sit down and push the handles away, concentrate on squeezing your chest muscles. This will help in developing strength and muscle size. 2. Next, we have the seated cable pec fly. This exercise is unique because it allows you to hit the chest from different angles. The cables provide constant tension, which is great for muscle growth. When you perform this exercise, remember to keep your elbows slightly bent. Focus on bringing the handles together in front of you while feeling the stretch in your chest. 3. Finally, let's talk about the inclined dumbbell or barbell chest press. This exercise targets the upper portion of your chest. It's important to vary your angles when training your chest. This will ensure that you're engaging all parts of the muscle. When performing this exercise, lower the weight slowly, then press them up while concentrating on using your chest muscles. Now that we've covered S-tier exercises, let's move on to A-tier. These exercises can further enhance your chest workout. 1. The flat chest press. The flat chest press is a fundamental exercise that builds overall chest strength. It allows for a great range of motion, which helps engage multiple muscle fibers. When performing this exercise, keep your feet flat on the ground and ensure that your shoulders are retracted to protect your back. 2. Dips. This exercise is excellent for developing the lower chest and triceps. Dips also engage your core muscles, making it a fantastic compound movement. As you perform dips, lean slightly forward to put more emphasis on your chest. Aim for controlled movements, don't rush through the reps. 3. The Smith machine chest press. This machine provides stability, allowing you to focus on lifting without worrying about balancing the bar. It's perfect for those who are just starting out or those who want to push their limits safely. Make sure to set the bar at a comfortable height and keep your movements controlled. Now that we've covered the exercises, let's talk about strategies to improve your workout effectiveness. These strategies will help you maximize your gains and see better results. Strategy 1. Improve your mind-muscle connection. If you can't feel a muscle contract, you'll have a tough time making it grow. This often happens with the barbell bench press. Your anterior deltoids and triceps may take on most of the load, leaving your chest as a weak point. This issue often stems from focus, exercise technique, and sometimes ego. Many people focus on lifting heavy weights instead of truly contracting the target muscles. This can lead to poor form and ineffective workouts. To improve your mind-muscle connection, shift your focus. Instead of just lifting as much weight as possible, concentrate on recruiting the chest muscles. When you bench press, imagine your chest doing the work. This shift in focus can significantly enhance your results. Strategy 2. Hit a variety of angles. Don't just stick to the flat bench press. To maximize muscular recruitment of your pecs, incorporate a variety of angles. Research has shown that muscle activation varies at different bench press angles. For example, the EMG activity of the upper pecs is highest at 30 degrees, while the middle and lower portions are most activated at 0 and 15 degrees. By mixing in incline and decline presses, you can ensure a comprehensive chest workout. Strategy 3. Go beyond the barbell bench press. While the barbell bench press is a staple for building strength, it's beneficial to use a low-volume approach. This means continuing to use the barbell bench for strength but not overdoing it. Instead, focus the majority of your training volume on hypertrophy-oriented exercises. Use a variety of classic set and rep schemes for growth, such as 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. This combination will help you build strength while also enhancing muscle growth. Incorporating these effective compound chest exercises and strategies into your routine can significantly enhance your weight loss efforts while building muscle at the same time. Remember, the key to success is consistency and focusing on the right techniques. With the right approach, you can achieve your fitness goals and build a stronger chest. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more tips and strategies to help you on your journey.